How does offline editing work with proxy workflows? Imagine editing a video project smoothly without your computer slowing down or crashing. That's what proxy workflows are all about. When working with high-resolution footage, like for 6,000 pixels wide, your computer can struggle. It takes a lot of processing power to play back and edit such big files. Proxy workflows solve this problem by creating smaller, easier-to-handle copies of your original footage. These copies are called proxies. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you can make proxies right when you import your media or after the media is already in your project. During import, you select the clips you want to work with and choose to generate proxies. Alternatively, you can select clips later and create proxies within the software. The proxies are made using codecs like ProRes Proxy or DNHR low bandwidth. These codecs keep the quality decent but make the files much smaller. Once the proxies are created, they are linked to the original high-resolution files. This link allows you to switch back and forth between the proxy and the full-quality media easily. When editing, you work with the proxies, which are much lighter on your system. This makes playback, scrubbing through clips, and applying effects much faster. You can toggle between proxy and full-resolution views with a simple button click. When you want to see your work in full quality, just switch back to the original files. This process is especially helpful if you are editing on a laptop or a less powerful computer. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. When your edit is finished and locked, you switch back to the original high-resolution files for color correction, effects, and final export. This way, your final video looks sharp and professional. To master this workflow, you need to know how to create proxies during import or afterward. Remember, proxies are linked to your original media, so if you move or renames clips, you might need to reattach the proxies. Use the toggle proxy button to switch views quickly. Keep in mind that some effects or audio settings might behave differently with proxies, so check your work before finalizing. Also, note that proxies are named after your clips, so renaming clips before creating proxies will change their names. Proxies might not always carry over when you export or share your project, so always make sure to switch back to the full-resolution media before exporting. Using proxy workflows in Adobe Premiere Pro helps you handle large, high-quality projects more efficiently. It makes editing faster and more responsive, giving you more time to focus on your creative ideas.